Cookies and cream is everyone's favorite, but did you ever think you could make your own Oreo ice cream cake at home? Well, that's exactly what we're going to show you how to do in this video. The best thing about this recipe is that you only need 5 ingredients, which are 300 milliliters of condensed milk, 500 milliliters of whipping cream, 75 milliliters of melted butter, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and Oreo cookies of your choice. So over here we have Oreo minis and also thin-sized Oreos. You can also use regular Oreos. We just didn't have those at home while making this ice cream cake. So you can start off by crushing your Oreos in a Ziploc bag or however you'd like. A good tip would be to put your Oreos into a Ziploc bag and then going over them with a rolling pin just to make them into very small pieces. Once your Oreos are crushed into tiny pieces, you can go ahead and mix the crumbs together thoroughly with the melted butter. So this will be the base of your cake. You can go ahead and pour your mixture out into whichever mold you decide to use. Once you've done that, you can put the base in the fridge for at least 20 minutes to let it solidify. So for the actual ice cream part of this ice cream cake, the first step is to whip the whipping cream. So a tip for this would be to put your utensils in the fridge for 1 hour prior to actually whipping the cream. This will ensure that you get a better result while whipping the whipping cream. So once this consistency is that of whipped cream, you can go ahead and add in the condensed milk and mix that in thoroughly, along with the vanilla extract. And finally, just add in your Oreo crumbs and mix thoroughly once again. So as you can see, our base is solid. Now we can go ahead and pour our ice cream mixture on top of our base and put that in the freezer for at least 4 hours until it solidifies. And your ice cream cake is done. Now a tip would be to decorate it while the mold is still on, but that's obviously up to you. We just did that so the sides of the cake stay completely clean, but if you want to decorate the sides of your cake, you can do that as well. It's up to you how creative you want to be with this cake. So the final step would be just to take off the cake mold and you're done. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.